Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking medical clinic Facebook post by yourself. So creating a post in Canva is really easy. And the best part is that you don't have to create your post from scratch or start with a blank page in Canva. What you need to do is search for a good template you like. You can modify an existing template, and within a few minutes, your post will be ready. Go to the search bar and search for a medical clinic Facebook post. I'm creating a post for Facebook. If you want to create one for Instagram, you can simply type Instagram instead of Facebook. Now, go to the Canva templates and search for it. Click on the template, and now you can see a range of medical posts, from minimal to professional designs. You can choose whichever one you like, and for now, I will go with this one. This one is a pro template, but you can choose or select free versions and click on Customize this template. Now you can see that I have full access and can modify whatever I want. Starting with the text, if you want to customize it, just double-click to add or remove text. These are the additional features and options. If you want to change the font of the text, you can change it. If you want to resize your text, use this option. If you want to change the color of your text or make it bold or italic, you can try all the available features. That covers the text features. Now, if you want to change or replace the background, you can see that the current background is this one. In a similar way, you can add your logo here. If you want to add other elements, search for the elements and type medical. If you want to add medical icons or elements like this, you can add them like this. If you want to change the color, you can change the color like this. You can adjust it as needed. In this way, you can add any elements. If you want to add photos, you can add them as well. If you want to replace this image with your own, go to Uploads and upload an image from your PC. Your image will appear here. For now, I'll be picking a random image from Pinterest just for this demonstration. So maybe this one. I'll just copy and paste it here, and you can see that my image is here. What I will do is drag and drop it like this. If you want to adjust the size or position of your image, just double-click, and you can resize it and adjust the position of your image like this. In a similar way, you can add your own text, customize it, add elements, add your own images and logos, and include your own details, information, branding, colors, and everything else. When you are ready and have finished modifying or customizing your design, rename your file, go to Share, select Download, and download it in PNG or any other format if needed. Simply download it, and your medical Facebook post is ready to upload to Facebook. You created it yourself in just a few minutes. In a similar way, you can practice and enjoy creating graphics in Canva.